Hey, who cleaned my room? Hey, I fell asleep on all my toys. Surprised I didn't wake up. Wonder where everyone is. Hello, guys! Mario, Luigi, Bowser. Where are they? Oh, there's my dad over there. Oh, he's sleeping. Ah, man, I wish I could just have like a dog. Just a dog, so then, just because I like staying up late at night. And if I got a dog, then that would be sick, because then he can keep me company. Guess I'm gonna have to wake up my dad. Hey, Dad. 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 Dad! What do you know? Can I get a puppy? Yeah, whatever my boss does. Yay, I can get a puppy! The money! Yeah. Alright, now I just have to ride my bike to the store, even though it's kind of like nighttime, but I don't care. Alright, let me go. Hello, pet owner store? I'm here to buy a dog. Oh yeah, you can have a pet. All right, so right here we got Mr. Whiskers the cat. Right now he's sleeping. No, thank you. Okay, Gary Snail. No, I don't like snails. What about Dragonor the lizard? I don't like lizards. All right, what about Duke the dog? Yes! I want Duke right now! He looks so cute! Okay, that would cost $200. But you probably don't even have that much money for it because you're a kid. Well, actually, I have $200 right here. Wait, really? Put it on the table. All right. Ooh, little puppy. Come on. You're coming home with me. All right, see you again. Okay, Mr. Puppy. Mr. Duke, what do you want to do? Okay, Duke, careful. 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 Oh, you bit me, Duke! Ow, that hurt really bad! Bad dog, bad! Whee! Oh! Ow! Phew, alright, I'm finally home from work. Duke, no, stop! You're waking me up! You're gonna wake my dad up! Who's making all that noise? A dog! Junior, where'd you get a dog? Oh, you said that I can have one. No, I didn't! How much money was it? $200. Oh, you're dead! Ow! And this dog, I'm kicking you out! No, Dad, no! Ugh. Fine, I guess we can keep it. Just get a cage for it. I'm going back to bed. Okay, jeez. I'm sorry, Duke, but you have to stay inside of his crib. Alright, but you're just gonna have to sleep out of a room every night. I'm sorry, Duke, but you're gonna have to sit outside of a room. A dog? Who got a dog? Luigi! Did you buy a dog? Wait, what? We have a dog? Luigi, don't play funny with me. Did you buy a dog? No, I didn't buy any dog. What was the last number that you saw? The last number that I saw was... I know, 4,000. You're dead, Luigi! Wait, what? Ah!